Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to verify our ID on Robinhood. So let's dive into it. So one of the quick method or easier way to verify your ID on Robinhood is to open the Robinhood app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then from there you have to select the menu or the setting button. Then from there go to account information or personal information. Then tap verify identity or upload ID. Then from there you have to select your ID type, which is it could be your driver license, your passport, or your state ID. Then use your phone camera to take a clear photos of the front and back of your ID and follow any prompt to take a selfie for facial verification. When that is done, you have to tap submit and wait for confirmation approval, which usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depends on the officials of the Robinhood, and that's how you can easily verify your ID of Robinhood. I hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.